Hello, and today, as you can see, I dyed my hair. So, yeah, today I just felt like doing a video because I can, and just showcasing some of my favorite fidget spinners that I own. Just wait 1 second, I'm gonna go get Okay, so here we are with the fidget spinners. They're all secret. You can't see them. They're on the bottom of the screen. You really can't see them. So, starting out with my favorite. The wheel fidget spinner. It looks legit, and it can do cool tricks like go on stuff. Ooh. Like to do bowling. Okay, my second favorite. Here we have my dragon fidget spinner. So legit, right? Wait, I didn't do it up close for the one. So yeah. Okay, now that we did it up close for both of them, here we have the dragon fidget spinner. It's gonna kill you or something. Okay, now my third favorite spinner. This one. As you can see, it has ball bearings. So yeah. Spins pretty well. Now, my fourth favorite. This one. So, yeah. Doesn't spin that good, but it's okay. It's great. Now for my fifth favorite. This one. Does big ball bearings, but they don't move around and stuff. So, spins pretty well. Now my least favorite. This one. So, yeah. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.